The buyer is buying their dream home, and they're getting to see that home be constructed right before their eyes.
They're going to create memories for their entire lives, things that they're going to look back on.
And so being able to partner with that new family, first-time home buyer, and the builder is something that gives me a lot of passion and purpose in what I do.
At Movement, we understand how much money it took the builder to invest just to get that client to walk through the door.
What we have to be able to do is make sure that up front we approve the buyer. During the construction, we have to have very specific milestones that are met and communicated to all parties. And prior to closing, we have to update and approve all aspects of their loan to make sure we have an on-time closing.
It's customary in the mortgage industry that loan applications are taken for clients, and it goes to the underwriter at the end of the process. At Movement, we turn that process upside down, and we do it in the reverse. Our 671 process allows us to help the builder forecast their business.
Movement Mortgage aims to underwrite all loans upfront within 6 hours from submission from me, the loan officer.
We don't want that contract to go untouched. We don't want that application to take months, because that house ends off the market.
And so upfront in underwriting and fully vetting a potential home buyer is crucial to getting the start cycle down for our builder partners. So as the lending relates to the construction timelines, there's very specific milestones that need to be met and communicated to all parties.
We keep everybody informed during the building process, updating documents as needed so that there's never an expiration of documents or never a jeopardy of a loan not being approved.
As we do our pipeline meetings with our builder partners, we work with them to know what specific milestones the construction side is being met so that we know when to engage the client and all the third parties that are going to be very pivotal in making sure we have a successful outcome.
The closing on time is the absolute #1 most important thing.
We want to close and fund as fast as possible. If you're not working lockstep with a title company for a builder, it causes them to have to delay certain times when they can sign.
They've got money tied up in that home, and they don't get to take the money off of that line of credit until it's closed, until it's been funded.
Once we final approve that loan, we are getting that closing package to the settlement agent within 1 day. The builder has one of the most complicated jobs in the process, so it's our job to make it easier and take things off their plate. And we do that by partnering with everybody involved, proactively communicating and executing for them, and they don't have to worry about it.